right, 6:30 in the morning, gonna get this workout in. Just arrived at the gym, the Rush Healthplex. Gonna be bringing you with me. I'm gonna be bringing you with me because I got some exciting things to tell you about. Really awesome. I'm calling it Dropship Funnels, and it's a done-for-you service, and it's really awesome stuff. You can see here, right at the Healthplex. Gonna get this workout in. It's about 6:30 in the morning. I tell you, man, I am really excited. So let me introduce myself. My name is Brian McCumber. I'm the host of the Tech Money Talks podcast. It's the #1 dropshipping podcast on the planet, endorsed by Player FM earlier this year in 2019, and just really excited about that. The other thing that happened earlier this year is that now the podcast was officially sponsored by Shopify, which is really awesome. So now this thing's going mainstream. We're talking things e-commerce, drop shipping, and now we're talking funnels. So I'm super excited about it because I put together a mashup where it's between ClickFunnels and Shopify Dropshipping. And I'm gonna share this information with you. But I tell you right now, I'm gonna get this workout in. Gonna grab this towel. If you guys have been following me, I've been doing those stairs. 30 minutes on the stairs. Was a part of the group with like Tanner Plains, Scott Hilsey, and we all did this 30 minutes on the stairs for 30 days. 30 minutes on the stairs for 30 days. And actually, let me show you right here. These stairs right here, these Stairmaster. 30 minutes on the stairs for 30 days. Did that. Now it's become habit. So it's another lesson of success that you could take away with you, is that things that you do for at least 21 days or more becomes a habit. So now I love doing these things. I push myself and I really love doing it. So it's 30 minutes for 30 days and super excited about it. But I'm gonna jump on this right now and I'll talk to you afterwards and I'll tell you all about Dropship Funnels. There we go, another 30 minutes, 115 floors. This is the first post-Thanksgiving workout. Burning off all that gravy, turkey, tough. Didn't want to do it. All right, B, Mac, high score. Look at that, boy. That's how we do it on top. Finish off on top. Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Brian McCumber. Let me introduce myself. I'm the host of the Tech Money Talks podcast. It's the #1 dropshipping podcast on the planet, and I'm super excited about it. And it's not just some claim that I made up. I was actually endorsed by Player FM earlier this year as the #1 dropshipping podcast to watch out for, and I'm super excited about it. And actually, following that, as I continue to focus on dropshipping and e-commerce, I am now officially endorsed by Shopify. So this is going mainstream. I've been doing things on the podcast, but I also been doing things in Chicago. I'm also the host and the organizer of the Dropship Chicago meetup group, hosted at 1871 right in River North, and that's really awesome. We have over 200 members, and it's just really exciting. But it's not as exciting as what I'm going to tell you about. I'm now putting together something that's called Dropship Funnels. I'm basically putting together a mashup. It's the best of Shopify dropshipping mashed up with ClickFunnels, and I call it Dropship Funnels. And I proved it out over the past few weeks, and I'm so excited about it. And it's all about time to market. So I'm quickly trying to share this with you right now. You're not going to believe what I've been doing with this thing. I've been repeating the process, automating the process over and over again, taking a product within 1 week, taking a product that's now generating $1,000 a day. And that's with a single ad. I haven't even been scaling yet. So that's without scaling, and it's producing this type of revenue. So I had to prove it out myself, and now I had to make it repeatable, and now I want to share it with you. It's with a concept that's called funnels, okay? And what I do is, so here's the real secret of what I'm doing. What I'm creating is a free plus shipping model. It's a funnel that comes in, and I take a viral product, something that people are very interested in, and then they come in and they get a chance to get it for free. All they need to do is pay shipping. So they get it for free, but they pay for the shipping. Now the shipping cost is generally around $9.95 for a regular product. So the cost of the shipping is actually paying for the cost of the product and hopefully the cost of the advertising. And that's what makes it what I call a self-liquidating offer. So now you're able to run ads and you're able to sell this product for free. And now here's where the magic comes in, is that you begin to lead the customer down this funnel. So as a customer enters in, to even participate to get a glimpse of the product, they're gonna be giving you their email address. So now you're building an email list. It's called a distribution. You have a distribution of interested buyers in your list. And now when they see that free plus shipping offer, they able to buy that product for free. The only thing they need to do is pay shipping, and they do that. But now the other parts of the funnel is that we offer a quantity boost. So in a quantity boost is like, okay, hey, you can get one for free, but you can get a maximum of 5. So you can get 2, 3, 5, and people are opting in for that. So some people feel like, okay, I can give them away as gifts. I can give them to my family members, or I just want 2. People are opting in on the quantity boost. What most dropshippers are not doing is that they're not upselling the customer. They just think they're gonna run an ad on a single product and think that's gonna make them millions, and that's not the case. That's not what happens. So nobody's really talking about that. You need to have a system. You need to have a funnel that leads the customer through, that builds your average order value. To make your average order value bigger than that single product. So you can see, and that's just the first step of the funnel, is the quantity boost. Now there's another concept that's called the order bump. This would be a related product that the customer can actually just check on the checkbox and say, yeah, I'd like to have this product too. So now they have they're getting a free plus shipping on the product. They're able to have a quantity boost to buy more, to get more free of the same. And now there's an order bump where they can add another product that's related to the one that you're giving away for free, and they're able to check a checkbox and say, yeah, I want that too, because it's a really special offer. So now they just added, now you just had 3 type of purchases adding to your average order value, not just that one. Now keep in mind, this all started as a self-liquidating offer, so it's pretty much free to you. So this is all a pre-purchase upsell. Now the actual customer then checks out. Now here's where the magic happens as well, is what I call a post-purchase checkout. So in the ClickFunnels, you're able to upsell your customer with one click of a button. So now that they purchase their product, they're, instead of going just to the thank you page, you can lead them further down this funnel. So you can say, hey, wait, I got one more special offer for you. Here's another great product related to what you just bought, and you can get this as a special offer, and it's just a single one-time offer. All you need to do is click this button, add it to your purchase. They don't have to enter their credit card again. It just automatically adds to the purchase. And this is where the magic happens as well, because you made it easy for them to purchase. So you continue the upsell process, and you can do an upsell number 1, an upsell number 2, even add a subscription model like a membership. You know, here's this product of the month club kind of thing. It's just really awesome. And all of these are one-click post-purchase upsells that you can add to your funnel. So it continues to go through. And if you're really good, you can add more. So it's like upsell number 1, upsell number 2, add a subscription, a membership model, which is a recurring business. And then you can add upsell number 3, upsell number 4, and then lead them to the thank you page. And then also on the thank you page, be sure to have a little upsell or lead them into maybe another funnel. So now you can see that you're increasing this average order value of the customer, and you have somebody in your distribution list. I tell you, it's building a huge list. The very first thing when they come in, to even get a glimpse of your free plus shipping offer, they're giving you their email address. So you know you have an interested buyer in that product. And once they acquire the free plus shipping, even though in their mind it's free, but they actually came out of pocket to pay for the shipping. And in the marketing world, a buyer is a buyer is a buyer. So now you just want to continue to offer them. And when you add a quantity boost, and when you add an order bump, and when you begin to add post-purchase upsells, all of this helps you identify how hot the buyer is. Do you get that? You're turning a cold traffic, and then you're able to see how hot the buyer is. The deeper they go, the more options they purchase is a really hot buyer. And you got data and analytics on that. You can't believe how powerful this is. Can't believe how powerful this is. This is really awesome. I'm super excited about it. I repeated it over and over again. I'm here sharing it with you, but I tell you, I got something that's really more exciting, because there's a little bit of setup in here, and I'm not here just to teach you about it. I'm gonna tell you what I do for free But the thing that I'm really excited about is providing a done-for-you service. There's far too many people consuming but not taking action. They're learning a lot on YouTube, they're buying into courses, they're buying into mentorship, but yet they still don't have sales. Yet they're still not taking action. They're not taking that first step. They're not launching their store. So I'm tired of all of that. I'm tired of hearing the stories. When I've done in Chicago, when I've done these getting started workshops, I've helped people within that hour, helping them getting started with the store. And they're like, Brian, you can't believe I've listened to so much YouTube. I bought this course and I've sat down and I was gonna go to Starbucks and I was gonna really start my store, and I did everything but start my store. And that's what happens. Most people aren't taking action. It's called human inertia. So the objects in motion tend to stay in motion, but if you haven't started yet, it's really hard to get into motion. So if I'm here on your team to help you get in motion, if I'm here to get you started, if I'm here to take the same funnel that's working for me and to create it so that it's working for you, and now you're getting sales, and now you're in business, and now that it's working for you, you got a business that's in motion. You're in motion. And like I said, it's inertia. Objects in motion tend to stay in motion. So now that you have a business in motion, you can focus on building your business, running your business, scaling your business, not worrying about technically setting up your business. Let me do what I do best. I'm a techie. I can set it up. I do these things over and over again. I helped out hundreds of companies, and now I'm here to help you out. And now I'm here to help you out with the done for you service, and I'm super excited about it. My goal is to help people get sales, get success. You know, the stuff that I'm doing on the podcast, talking about, teaching about it, putting people that have been keeping it real, all that stuff. Well, I want people to experience that level of success too. They hear that ka-ching sound that comes through on their phone, right? That ka-ching sound that comes through on your phone that when you get in sales, all of that stuff. I really want you to get started. I want you to get that level of success. I want you to get some sales. I want you to make some profit. And most people don't know how to do it. And even if they learned how to do it, they're uncertain if they set it up correctly. So there's all this self-doubt and it's blocker. I can see that it's human psychology where there's something that's blocking you. There's a reason why you haven't had that success yet. There's a reason why you haven't got started yet. But now imagine if I'm on your team. What if Brian's on your team creating it for you? What if Brian gave you that store that's working for him, and now can it work for you? Do you think it will work for you? Do you think you'll get some sales? You better believe it, you will, and I'm gonna make sure of it as well. That would be my number one goal, is to make sure that you're getting sales and that we continue this together. You're gonna be able to buy back your time, attention, by adding me to your team to actually get you started and to get into business, and I'm really excited about it. I'm finishing my drink here, and right now we're starting December 2019, and I want to share this opportunity with you, and I'm going to be giving a special offer just for December 2019. It's a special offer where I'm going to allow people to get started for 50% off. So it's the regular price is going to be $9.97 to get started for the service. It's going to be $4.97 to get started in this done for you service. I got all the details laid out below, but right now, like I said, I'm sharing this with an initial group, and I'm proving this out. So throughout the month of December, I'm going to let people opt in and sign up. You know, my time is valuable. I'm actually going to be doing this for you personally. So I'm only starting with a limited group, and I'm only going to offer this 50% off throughout the month of December, because January 1st, we're gonna have a new year. It's gonna be a new price, and it's gonna start this off right. It's actually well worth it. My goal is to actually get you sales. So I'm gonna set you up with your own funnel, with your own store, with your Facebook page and business account, and then with a viral product that's actually selling for me so that it's selling for you. Everything's gonna be set up. It's gonna be a done for you service to get you sales and to get you up and running, because your business is gonna be in motion. And like I said, once your business is in motion, it's going to stay in motion, and it's your job to actually take it forward, run your business, build your business, scale your business. You're gonna be in business, and I'm gonna be on your team supporting you, lifting you up, nudging you a little bit, holding you accountable, all that great stuff. So I'm really excited about it. I hope you are too. I hope this makes sense to you. Don't wait on this. Take action, because this is not yet another course. This is not some mentorship. This is a done for you service, and it's gonna be done by me personally for you. You're gonna be adding Brian to your team, and I tell you, we're gonna win. We're gonna do this. We're gonna crush this together. So like I said, it's a limited time offer throughout this month of December. If you're one of the lucky few that was able to catch this, I'm mean, I'm trying to spread the word, but if you're one of the few that's able to catch this and actually take action, you're gonna get this 50% off, because I tell you, January 1st is gonna be a whole new price. So I'm looking forward to working together with you. I'm really excited about it. I hope you are too. This is to actually get you in business and to get you starting, to get you rolling into 2020. And I'm really, really, really excited about it. I hope you are too. Go, let's do this. Let's do this together. All right, I'll stop talking, but I want you to register to join right now. I'm serious, register right now, join.